Just got another load. I'm on the way out. Leaving Houston. We ain't playing. We on tour. I'm headed to Indiana. Just got another load. Flying J. Let me get my favorite. Some Skittles. Some juice. Baby. I'm drinking and shaking. 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 They will not charge me with fake. I'm drinking and shaking. 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 They will not charge me with fake. My favorite. We don't cry about no bread. I'm talking 9 comma 9, not a cent up a fed. I got a nigga June 9 that stand ahead. Put it all on the line up, get back in the bed. I done true in the jeans, I done stepped up the hustle. Y'all make sure y'all get y'all pilot points and put y'all pilot points in there. It's good for gas, pilot points. Miss Cindy said you can't have enough points. Can't have enough points, okay? You hear Miss Cindy? Y'all can't have enough points. There you go, Miss Cindy. Say hey, YouTube. Hey. There you go. Say hey to the YouTube. She don't want to work. We'll get on. Alright, y'all see it. We at the pilot. It's got some of my favorites. Got some Skittles. I'm actually finna go back in there and get some pennies. I ain't eat this morning. Go. Come on over. The pilot. Box truck game. Trucks. Trucks. Box truck game. Truck game. Finna go check out these fuel prices, y'all. Finna watch me pump this fuel and bleed my soul out my body. Coming in, truck game. Coming for a box truck game. I'm here. Man, y'all look at this fuel. Look at this fuel, man. Look at this fuel. Oh! Y'all see where we at? Y'all ain't outside. You outside? You outside? Cause I'm outside. I'm on the yard. Finna go pick up one more. I got enough room for another 2 more skids. Finna go pick up one more. Full tank. Let's ride. All right, fellas. People at work, man. Forklifts. Man, look at them pick that thing over that forklift. Man, people at work. You working today? People working. And people at work. Forklift. And I'm working. Forklift.